What's going on, you guys? Pizza Boy Anthony here, and we're gonna see if we have reached over to 500 subscribers. Hold on. Oh my god, we just hit 500 subscribers because we're at level 4, guys, and this is our second special subscriber episode. So this, we're gonna see what we're gonna do for 500 subscribers. For 500 subscribers, I don't even know how to create a second video game, but I hope like this guy since last year, 2017, Shia LaBeouf just had to create his another motivational game so I can make a parody of it. So for 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a food review. So we're going to be doing this. Alright, so that's going to be it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to Pizza Boy Anthony. Hopefully we can reach over to level 5 so we can reach over to 1,000. So, thank you.